Guys, okay, so this is my second update on the remote control that I sent into DJI at Texas, Grapevines, Texas. That's the that's the repair center that they have. I have to say that I sent my package through with DHL, and the whole shipping period was supposed to be I believe 8 days, 8 business days. So I paid about $20 US to do that, and I have to say I'm really pleasantly surprised, because I submitted that package to my local post office, which is in Trinidad and Tobago, on Monday in the afternoon. They said that it would go out for it would start moving out to go to the DHL warehouse locally on Tuesday, and so it passed through. On Tuesday, I didn't get an update or anything like that. The digital system with the tracking number didn't work. It said it did not exist and so forth. But then by Wednesday morning, I got an update that this thing had already gone to, actually, believe it or not, Venezuela. So I was so surprised, because I was a bit concerned, you know, with the unrest and thing that's happening in Venezuela and so forth, that my package going there could be an issue, get lost or anything like that. But DHL logistics, you know, that's, I guess, how they did it and how it's, you know, automated or whatever. And however it is, and it ended up Venezuela, it went to Panama, I believe, and then Costa Rica, and then somehow it ended up at Miami, and or passed through Miami, and then it reached Grapevines, Texas within actually 3 days, because if you look at it, the actual shipments were on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so that's much less than the 8 days for about $20 US to send the DJI remote, Mavic Air remote, which is actually quite heavy for, you know, the size of it. It's probably the size of like the phone, but it's a lot heavier, I think. It's more than a pound, so I was quite surprised that paying that price, I actually got it well within the time frame of the case number that I created with DJI. So far, what's been happening is that DJI actually received it, and they have actually looked through it and said that it would be covered under warranty. Though they did send me an invoice, so I'm a bit concerned about the fact that it's covered under warranty, but they're sending me invoice. So I just emailed them back, and this is where I've reached. I've emailed them back just to find out whether that means that the invoice is covered under the warranty or it's not covered under the warranty. So guys, I hope to have a video soon, albeit where hopefully all has been fixed and so forth. So I'll keep you guys updated on what has been going on. But so far, the process seems smooth, knock on wood. Let's hope that it continues to be like that, and that I get back the remote and it's working with the Mavic Air. In the meantime, good news is that, of course, the Mavic Air, you can actually use the Wi-Fi on your phone and control it in the meantime. Just don't go very far with it, and you should be safe in the meantime. So just, you know, some tips in the process as well. So I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.